So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create playlists on YouTube. So specifically, like I'm going to show you to create a playlist on YouTube. And it also has been a while. I have not uploaded my videos a long time because I'm so busy with baseball. I'm so busy with baseball on my website and also busy with my dad's bakery website. It's a lot of work. So I'm gonna show you how to create a playlist. So this I know is now is actually a new video, so it has been a while. So first I'm gonna do, hold on, let me delete that thing is whatever Google Ads. I'm going to create new playlist. Now you can give any playlist you want. So I'm gonna call this a test, whatever you want to call. I'm just gonna copy this because I don't know how to spell it. So and I'm gonna do, you can add anything you want. You could change this order. You could change this to no, Apocalyptic, po, 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 apocalyptic. I don't want to say it right. And what you already do, I'm gonna change this to private. I'm just gonna show you, but I'm not gonna upload that anything inside this video. But and there you go. So this is how to create playlist on YouTube. If you have this helpful, make sure please subscribe to Raju, Raphael Araujo Online 05. If you have this helpful, please subscribe to that channel, my channel, Raphael05 or something like that. And I'm gonna make it, and I'll see you next time. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.